You're first. All right, we're going to jump back into a set of masks by Joseph that sent us from New Jersey. Joseph from New Jersey. I think in your letter, Joseph, if you are watching, you said that the white masks look better than the black masks in terms of filtration. I can already tell by looking at this that this is not a KN95. I'll tell you about that in just a second, but I want to get this thing going. No getting my fingers on this one. It starts automatically. I don't have to hit any buttons. So it's sealed in this bag. This is not a barrier bag, and the problem with that is that means the smells are going to get through. I can tell this is a can, not a KN95. Why? They're saying it's KN95. Sure, it's KN95. Well, 90% of the masks that we test are not KN95s for really this reason. All they say is KN95. To be a KN95, you need to have three things. You need to say GB, you need to say KN95, you need to say GB 2626-2019, which is the standard, and then you need to have the manufacturer name. Why is that important? Well, Wanwane is their name, but this looks like, it's the Yiiang Environmental Protection Products. I don't know if we've tested that before. We're gonna do the smell test and the ear loop test. Oh, the ear loop test, oh, come. Oh, look at that. I got 3 with 1 pull. It's strong. I don't think it's gonna break on your face, but it did come off pretty easily. Let me do the smell test. Oh, good night. Oh, that smells like a poorly unkempt dog kennel. Oh, poorly unkempt? That's a double negative.
Poorly kept.
Poorly kempt.
Or an unkempt dog.
Or, I'm gonna stick with my original. I think it's just the smell of this bag, you know, being shipped around the world. Honestly, because this doesn't, so it was probably like in a container with like old bananas or something. I don't know. I don't think it's the mask itself, but this type of bag, when you see it, it doesn't protect against smells. All right, but does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? What does the survey say? 96.88 and 105 pascals. That's super breathable. Super breathable. The KN95 standard, I believe, is 250 pascals, so that's very breathable. If you can get past that smell, which I certainly could not. But again, they are still not meeting the standard because they're not doing the right markings. Well, why do the right markings matter? Because what we have found is, this is just one test in the KN95 arsenal. You have to do like 7 tests to pass KN95. And so if they aren't doing this very simple things of putting their name on the mask, can you really trust them for the other things?